Hello, my name is Julio Moret, and I'm Director of Pre-Sales Engineering at Device Authority. Today, we are going to be talking about our KeyScaler Azure IoT Edge Gateway Service. The KeyScaler IoT Edge Gateway Service is available as an IoT Edge custom module and as an agent service that runs on the IoT Edge Gateway. This service enables automated certificate lifecycle management for gateways and leaf devices. The core capabilities of the Edge Gateway service include the provisioning of its final line certificates. You can also do auto revocation and auto rotation or renewal for these credentials. The service module also provisions and manages intermediate sub-CAs that then could be used by the Edge Gateway to generate and sign workload certificates or Edge Hub certificates. So, what are the benefits of the Edge Gateway service? As I mentioned before, is the automated certificate lifecycle management for the gateway and leaf devices. This technology also supports DDKG and PKI Signature Plus authentication methods. We can provision these leaf devices and gateways automatically into Azure services using DPS and directly into IoT Hub, and is available as a custom module. The whole solution enables you a way to streamline the IoT Edge deployment by automating the provisioning and management for these certificates. So the next diagram here will show you the flows for the certificate provisioning management for the gateway and leaf devices. On the left side, we have the leaf devices and the IoT Edge Gateway, the middle, the KeyScaler server, the right side, the Azure services. In our demo, we're going to be enrolling the IoT Edge Gateway using DPS, and then the leaf devices into IoT Hub directly. So the first step will be the secure registration of the gateway itself into KeyScaler. After that process is completed, then the leaf devices can use the gateway service as a conduit to register and get the certificates from the KeyScaler server. So that will be a step 2. After the secure registration is completed, then the KeyScaler server tells the leaf devices to generate a new key pair. This new key pair is going to be one private and public key, and generate a new CSR, step 4. Then that CSR is forwarded by the gateway service to the KeyScaler server, as you see, step 5. And then after we get the CSR, we check the policy that has been mapped to that specific device. For example, you can enable things like, let's do auto rotation every year, enable auto revocation if the device is being revoked or deleted, and we can enable options like store encrypted on the device, and we can securely store these keys and certificates. This policy also tells me which entity is going to be signing the certificate. Here in this example, we are showing that we can use an Azure Key Vault to sign the certificate. After step 6 is completed, we have our certificate signed. We push that certificate to the Azure service, for example, DPS, to enroll the device or IoT Hub. When the enrollment or provisioning is completed, we send the signed certificate down to the gateway, and the gateway then delivers the signed certificate to the leaf device. Okay, let's start the demo. Here we have multiple tabs. The first one is our control panel for KeyScaler. And then let's go to service connectors. Here we have 2 connectors that they're going to be used by the gateway and the leaf devices to connect to the Azure services. Next are the certificate policies. We have 3 policies here. The first one is the Edge Gateway certificate. The next one is the leaf device. The third one is the certificates used as an identity for the gateway to connect back to KeyScaler. We don't have any devices yet. Here under DPS service, no enrollments. And under IoT Hub, no Edge gateways and no IoT devices either. Okay. So now we're going to create a new provisioning for the Edge gateway. So let's use IoT Edge KeyScaler as unique ID. Map that to the group Edge gateway and username IoT Edge KeyScaler. Now we created a new registration, and it's here pending and waiting for the device to connect. So let's go now to my IoT Edge Gateway and start the gateway service. This gateway service will trigger a series of events, starting with authentication of the gateway with KeyScaler. Then we'll do the registration. Then the server will tell the Edge Gateway, generate new key pairs, new private and public keys, generate new CSRs. And now the server is signing these CSRs with private PKI. And after that, the gateway service is updating the configuration for IoT Edge. You can see here the things that we write in the configuration. And the last step is to restart the IoT Edge agent to apply the new configuration. So when we refresh this page here, we're going to see the Edge Gateway already provisioned, and the certificate is issue state, meaning the certificate has been signed, was sent to DPS, that's created a new enrollment. If we go to IoT Hub, we already can see the gateway connected and communicating back with IoT Hub. Let's do the same thing for the Leaf device. For the Leaf device, we're going to use Leaf device 01. We have a different group called Leaf devices, and use Leaf device 01 as the friendly name. So now we need to do an additional step and create a new auth ID here for the gateway. This adds an extra layer of security and also allows to do a one-to-one mapping between Leaf devices and Edge gateways. If we don't do this, the Leaf devices won't be able to connect through the Edge gateway. So now let's run the service on the Leaf device, and you can see here it's a similar process. We generated new key pairs, public, private keys, generated a new CSR. Now the KeyScaler server is signing the CSR and completing the enrollment into IoT Hub. Here is the gateway, so you can see the interactions between the Leaf device, the KeyScaler server as well. And if we refresh this page here, we will see the new Leaf device being registered. So let's go now to the IoT Hub tab. If we go to IoT devices, now the Leaf device will be shown here. Leaf device 01. If we click on it, we also can confirm that the device has been mapped to the Edge gateway. That's another feature that we support, where automatically we do the relationship between Edge gateway and Leaf device on IoT Hub. Here we can see the certificates that have been provisioned on the IoT Edge gateway. One certificate for identity, the second one is a signing certificate that is used by the security agent of IoT Edge. Let's also confirm the configuration of IoT Edge. Here you can see that we were able to specify the scope ID and the locations for the certificates. And this is of the information that is needed by the agent to connect back to IoT Hub. Just to recap the benefits of the KeyScaler Azure IoT Edge Gateway service, we provide a complete automated lifecycle management for IoT Edge gateways and Leaf devices. We can help you to streamline the development of IoT solutions using the IoT Edge custom module that is available and can be deployed through IoT Hub. We also increase the operational efficiencies by leveraging the system PKI. We can integrate with your Active Directory certificates services, Key Vault, or any public CA. And we support both DDKG and PKI Signature Plus devices. Thank you very much.